The thing is playing. Stop scrolling. Halloween is almost here, and your costume doesn't have to cost a fortune. In this video, I'm going to show you 10 insanely easy DIY Halloween costumes you can make with things you already have at home. From spooky to silly, these ideas will get you party ready in minutes. So grab your scissors, turn up the spooky music, and let's dive in. Stick around till the end and tell me in the comments which DIY costume will you try this year. Who says superheroes need Hollywood budgets? Grab a plain t-shirt, cut out your own logo from colored felt, and tape on a towel cape. Boom! You're now Captain DIY. Want to stand out even more? Add a belt made from aluminum foil or stick-on stars. It's fun, fast, and totally customizable. Your superpower is creativity. Would you make a serious superhero or a funny one? Comment your pick below. Need magic in a minute? Your closet has the spell. A black dress or coat, a pointed hat, and a stick from your garden, you're already halfway to Hogwarts. Add glitter to your wand, draw a tiny scar, and walk with mysterious confidence. You'll look like you've just stepped out of a fantasy movie. Who would you rather be, a dark witch or a good wizard? Tell me in the comments. Want to look drop-dead gorgeous this Halloween? Nah! Grab dark clothes, a little white powder, and red lipstick. You've got instant vampire vibes. Add paper fangs and practice your slow, creepy smile in the mirror. For extra drama, use red lighting or glitter for that vampire royalty effect. Are you Team Dracula or Team Sparkly Vampire? Comment your answer. Think the bedsheet ghost is boring? Think again. Cut 2 eye holes, tie a scarf, and wear sunglasses. Now you're the coolest ghost in town. Add a prop phone and pretend you're calling from the afterlife. The best part? It takes less than 2 minutes. Would you go for funny ghost or scary ghost? Drop your answer below. Get ready to cook up some chaos. Throw on an apron, dust your face with flour, and grab a whisk. You're the crazy cook. Splatter a little ketchup for that spooky oops in the kitchen vibe. Bonus points if you carry around a fake recipe for witch's soup. What would your creepy dish be? Share your recipe name in the comments. Here's where creativity meets cardboard. Cut up an old box, spray it silver, and you've got a robot, or a dragon, or even a unicorn. Add colored lights or markers to bring your creation to life. You'll be amazed at how cool recycled art can look. Which creature would you build from cardboard, a robot or a dragon? Let's hear it. Want to make everyone smile the moment you walk in? Draw your favorite emoji face on a big yellow circle and wear it around your neck. Add props of phone for the emoji or glitter for the one. It's playful, modern, and totally Instagram-worthy. So, what's your Halloween emoji mood this year? Drop it in the comments. Can't pick one costume? Why not combine 2? Be a zombie teacher, disco alien, or pirate unicorn. The weirder, the better. Mix random items from your closet and own your look with confidence. You'll be the talk of every Halloween party for sure. Which mashup would you try? Drop your craziest combo below. Save the planet while scaring your friends. Turn old newspapers, trash bags, or bottle caps into a one-of-a-kind costume. Tape, twist, and tie your way into an eco-friendly masterpiece. Not only is as it's sustainable, it's surprisingly stylish. Would you rather be an eco-hero or a trash monster? Comment your choice. And our #1 DIY costume is pure chaos and pure genius. Open your closet, grab random stuff, and make it fashion. Pajamas, sunglasses, a blanket cape. Congratulations, you're the celebrity in disguise. Or maybe just a very confused king. Either way, it's hilarious. What's the craziest costume you could make from what you own right now? Tell me in the comments. So there you have it, 10 DIY costumes that prove creativity beats cash any day. Remember, Halloween isn't about perfection. It's about expression and fun. If you enjoyed these ideas, hit that like button and share this video with your spooky squad. And most importantly, drop a comment below and tell me which costume idea was your favorite.